Select your corresponding match. Access denied. 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 Access granted. Doors opening.
You get us close and I'll get her!
I'll keep his nose down! You reel him in!
Take it up!
What are you doing?
We're going for a ride!
We're coming, Usan!
Let's go, Jonah!
Come on, brother.
Timo, you got this!
Gonna need more weight! Then nice and easy, clean.
Hell yeah, Usos! Too much weight!
All right, drop them.
Goodbye.
Incoming!
You got little double back here, Shaw!
Close him in no man's land! Let's get this out of him!
Right now, hit that stake! We're losing the runners! Honey! Jump!
Well, well, well. Luke Hobbs behind bars. Would you look at that? The bent cop got his day. You know, that color looks good on you.
Yeah, look a whole hell of a lot better with your blood on it.
Yeah, good luck with that, Hercules. Lawman gone bad, huh? Such a cliche. Oh well, welcome to the club.
Move.
Say that again.
If I say it again, it'll be to a corpse.
I'm gonna enjoy this.
Shoe collection.
Yep. A pair for every occasion.
You have enough guns in here to outfit a small army, huh?
Oh, this is just the tip of the iceberg.
But it's about something bigger. This way, I changed him.
That's not your responsibility.
That's who I am.
Get back to the zone! It's just a malfunction. Keep back! Just a malfunction.
We about to roll on that. Speaker box blast, blast. Speaker box blast, go rat-tat-tat-tat. Got the whole spot going now.
I've been waiting a long time for this. Keep waiting, bitch.
Back in the cut like that.
It took longer than I expected.